up? Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, hello, welcome. I am so happy you decided to stop by. Today, I'm going to be showing you guys my 3-strand twist out. One of you guys, my lovely subscribers, wanted me to do a tutorial on this, and I was like, okay, I'ma do it. So here it is. This was in fact my first time ever doing this, and I didn't do too bad, if I have to say so myself. It's actually pretty easy once you get the hang of it. So if you guys would like to see my 3-strand twist out tutorial, then just keep on watching. Alright guys, so I've already finished majority of my hair. I only have one section left, so I'm going to show you guys the whole process. I did separate my hair into 4 sections. I just split it down the middle and then split each section in half. So I've only been doing like 3 to 4 twists per section. So I'm just going to take this and grab a nice medium-sized section of hair. I'm going to take my water bottle to dampen my hair. And then the styling products that I've been using are the Mael Organics Pomegranate and Honey Curling Custard. And then after I put that in, I've been going in with my Diva Curl Ultra Defining Gel. So I'm just gonna take a little bit of the curling custard and put it into my section of hair. Now I'm just gonna take my Diva Curl Gel and do the same thing. Alright, now for the twist, all you're gonna do is separate your hair into 3 sections, just like we're doing a braid, but we're not. Okay, so the piece of hair that is farthest to the right is this one. The piece of hair that's farthest to the right, you're just gonna cross it over the other 2 sections. So I'm going to cross this piece over and grab it with my pinky, and then I'm just going to basically, I guess, rearrange each section so that I'm back at 3. So cross it over, grab with your pinky, and then fix the strands. So basically the piece that you've crossed over is going to be the piece that's on the end. So you cross this piece over, grab it with your pinky, and now it's on the end. And you just keep doing that all the way down. It's gonna take a little bit of patience because your brain is gonna want to do a braid, but once you get the hang of it, you'll start moving pretty fast. I'm sitting pretty impatient, but I know you gotta put in them hours. I'ma make it harder. I'm sending pictures. Once I start getting towards the bottom, I'm just gonna wrap the hair around my finger so it creates a little curl. And then that's it. So I'm just gonna finish up the rest of these sections. Alright you guys, so this is what my hair looks like all twisted up. I am just going to, well, I'm not going to go to sleep right now, but whenever I do go to sleep, I'm just going to put my satin bonnet like right over this, like literally just throw my satin bonnet on and go to sleep, and then I will be back in the morning to show you guys how it came out. This is my first time doing these, so I'm like nervous and excited all at the same time, and I hope they come out good. So we will see the verdict in the morning. Alright you guys, it is the next day. I am about to get ready to take down my twist. This is what we're looking like. I'm so excited and nervous, so I think I'm gonna start. I don't have any oil. I really don't use oil that much, So I'm just gonna go ahead and start separating them. So I'm just gonna start untwisting it from the bottom.
Let's put it in motion. I'ma give you a promotion. I'll make it feel like a vacate, turn the bed into an ocean. We don't need nobody, I just need your body. Nothing but sheets in between us, ain't no getting off early. I know you're always on that night shift, but I can't stand these nights alone. And I don't need no explanation, cause baby you're the boss at home. You don't gotta go work, but you gotta put in work. You don't gotta go to work, let my body do the work.
Alright, so this is what my hair looks like. I haven't taken any of them apart. I am really pleased with the definition. Yeah, see, like, the definition is insane. So I'm just gonna go ahead and separate these and, you know, see what it looks like after that. So yeah, you can already see the difference of when you separate them and when you don't. Alright guys, so this is what we have so far. I'm going to take this side of my comb and just like pick out the roots to give me a bit more volume. I really need to get a haircut. Like, my hair has grown so long over the past like year or so, and it's all just like one length for the most part, so I need to get some layers cut in there so that I don't look like crazy. Now the last thing I'm going to do is take my Eco Styler gel and just kind of like clean up my edges. Alright y'all, so this is what my hair is looking like. I would say for my first time doing it, I did a pretty dang good job. I think next time I do it though, I'm going to do bigger chunks because I like the way that the bigger ones in the back came out better than the ones in the front came out. I love the definition. This is way more definition than a regular just 2-strand twist out for sure. So if you don't like the way your 2-strand twist outs come, or you don't think it's defined enough, try 3-strand twisting, okay? The definition is there. We have finally come to the end of this video, and it is time to get to all the good stuff, which is the giveaway, my 500 subscriber giveaway. I'm so happy and excited to be able to give back to you guys. Let's just get into what I'm going to be giving away. Everything is in this cute little holographic makeup bag. I thought this was super cute and adorable, so I got it for you guys to put all the goodies in there. Okay, first things first. I haven't really talked about this on my channel, but it is one of my favorite scents, my favorite lotion ever, okay? And it is the Wild Madagascar Vanilla Lotion by Bath & Body Works, and this is actually a retired scent now, so I have to order it online every time I want it, and I'm giving one away to you guys because I just love this lotion so much, and I need you to experience the greatness of this lotion. It smells so freaking good, like you're gonna be in love, okay? Next thing we've got I could not do a giveaway without throwing this product in there. The Garnier Fructis Buttercream. You guys know I rave about this so much, and I want you guys to be able to experience this buttery goodness of the buttercream. Okay, so one of you guys will be getting this as well. Next up, I have the Hard Candy Plumping Serum Lip Gloss. I talked about this in my skincare routine video. I love it, love it, love it. This is in the shade Nude Beach. It's one of my favorite lip glosses. Another one of my favorites from my skincare video is the Badescu Rose Water Spray. You need this in your life. If you've never tried this before, enter this giveaway so you can experience this goodness, okay? And even if you have tried this before, I know you need another one, girl. I know you do. And last but not least, I have a $15 gift card to Ulta Beauty. I love Ulta. It's one of my favorite places to shop, so I'm giving away this gift card as well. So that is all I'm giving away. I know it's not much, but it's just a little something to show you guys my appreciation for subscribing and supporting my channel. The only rules are you must be subscribed to my YouTube channel because this is my 500 subscriber giveaway, okay? Okay. 2, comment down below a way that I can message you, whether that be your Instagram name, your email, Twitter. I need to hop in your DMs in case you win so that I can give this to you. So yes, subscribe and leave a comment down below to a way that I can reach you. And that is it, guys. Be sure to enter the giveaway. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel before you leave and give this video a big thumbs up if you like my 3-strand twist out tutorial. I will see you guys next time. Adios.